Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can speed up a video in CapCut mobile. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application and we're going to speed up this video. So first thing first, we can click on the video, and after we click on the video, we have to select the speed option. Okay, and here you have two options. You can choose normal or curve. If you want to speed up your video constantly, you can select normal, and you can go right to make it faster. And for instance, I'm going to select the 2 times faster, and this feature will help you if you want to create like a time-lapse video. And after that, you just need to click on this check mark, and if you want to make the speed faster or slower in the same video, you can select curve. And there are a couple of options you can choose right here, or you can also customize the curve. You just need to click on custom, and you can click on edit. Then you can change the speed like this. You can make your video faster and slower. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on this check mark. Alright guys, and that's how we can speed up a video in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.